In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to view recently copied text on your Mac. This is a feature that's called Clipboard History. The first thing I want you to do is open up your Mac and click on the Apple logo in the upper left-hand corner and go to About This Mac, just like that. It's going to tell you some information about your computer, and you should see right here where it says macOS, right here where it says macOS. Mine says Tahoe 26.2. As long as yours says 26 or 27 or 28 dot something, you're good to go. Now, if you're running an operating system that is 25 or 24, you will not have the feature to search through your recently copied text. So, once you've done that, close out of that. Now what you want to do is open up a new Finder window like I've done here. If you want to know how to do that, click on the little smiley face Finder icon to open up a new window. And then while you have that selected, and that's the active app, go up to Edit and then go to Show Clipboard. Now, when you do this, as you can see, it's only going to show me the most recent thing that I've copied, not a list. I can't search it, but with 26.0 and beyond, you can now see a list and search your recently copied text. What you want to do is open up your Spotlight search. If you don't know how to do that, you can hit Command Space on your keyboard or just click the magnifying glass up in your menu bar. That will open up our Spotlight search. You're going to see an option here that says Clipboard, or you can just type Command 4 on your keyboard. And then if this is your first time doing this, it will say, are you sure you want to allow search results from Clipboard? Go ahead and click Allow, just like so. And now, as you can see, it lets me know the text that I've copied, when I copied it, gives me a search bar here to search, and it tells me the application in which I copied it from. And then the icon over here allows you to just click that button there to copy it once more. And now that is your active copied text. So again, this is just your Clipboard history. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.